When we added Flexcera with the Einsteins from Desktop Health, it brought us the confidence to be able to offer All on X to doctors that wanted something by tomorrow morning.
The reason we like the Flexcera and Einstein printer combination is because it allows us to give our customers the right combination. A great fit, a fast turnaround time, and just a great looking product.
It doesn't get better than this. The final product after it's cured is so smooth that I don't really have to do any adjustments or anything. And basically it's a final product. All we have to do is put some colors in it and send it out.
Once we got the Flexcera down to doing all of our All on X's and we knew that they were lasting, I knew that it was just gonna be that much better. It prints fast, it's strong, it's accurate, it's everything.